Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. Let's start looking into today's points. Let me open the document for you. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. The first one, Ramona National Park is located in. Kindly remember, for the examination point of view, any national park that is there in the news for any reason is important for the examination. Now, if you look at this national park, this is located in Assam, Kerala, Karnataka, or Odisha. Please make a note of this. The correct answer is option A, that is Assam. Kindly remember, I told you already, all national parks are important, especially when they are there in the news for any reason, right? Look at this. According to the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, Ramona Reserve Forest in Kokrajhar district has been upgraded to the 6th National Park of Assam. What is the meaning of this? Assam has already got 5 national parks, and this one is the 6th one. And this particular forest comes under BTR, meaning Bodoland Territorial Region. Now look at this. Assam has 5 national parks, and this is the 6th one. Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri National Park, Orang National Park, and Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Please remember, especially the students from Assam, you are expected to remember all the names. And students from all the states are expected to remember those names, those national parks that are there in the news at the national level. Am I clear? So this is important. So this is how you need to prepare for the examination. Next, let's go ahead. Look at this. Who among the following acts as the chairman of National Startup Advisory Council? So we discussed so much about startups, and here is the question. Who among the following acts as the chairman of National Startup Advisory Council? Is it the Prime Minister of India, or Secretary for the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, or the Minister of Commerce and Industry, or Niti Aayog Vice Chairman? Important one. And the correct answer is option C, that is Minister of Commerce and Industry. Kindly remember this. The government has set up a National Startup Advisory Council to advise the centers on measures needed to build a strong ecosystem for nurturing innovation and startups in the country. And this is the composition. You have a chairman. And who is the chairman? We already discussed. Next is the convener of the council, that is the joint secretary for the Department of Promotion of Industry and International Trade. And when it comes to the ex officio members, look at this. Nominees of the concerned ministries, departments, and organizations, but not below the rank of the joint secretary. Right? So please remember this. Next one, another very important one. In which year Paramparagat Krishi Yojana was launched? Please remember, this is launched a few years back, but still it is important because this highlights and stresses on the importance of organic farming in India, which is gaining ground throughout the world, including India. And India is committed now to promote organic farming. For that reason, this particular Yojana called Paramparagat Krishi Yojana was launched by the government in the year 2015. Please remember this. Right? So it was launched in the year 2015. So and kindly remember all these points, all are important for the examination point of view. Fine, that's all for the day, and I'll see you in the next class with more topics. Thank you so much. Take very good care.